G'day folks, it's Rico here. Now as budding DIYers, we know that safety is important, especially when you're working underneath your four-wheel drive. Now today, I'm fitting up a steering dampener to the front of the GU, and I know from experience that if I can lift the car up to get underneath, it makes the job a whole lot easier. Now of course, this is where safety becomes really important. Having the right equipment makes a big difference, and for this, I've got some gear that might be classified as workshop equipment. A good quality trolley jack, and a seriously sturdy pair of axle stands. I'm sure you've heard it before, but I'm going to say it again. Never ever get under a vehicle that is not supported correctly. Now I've chosen a jack from the Impact range at my local Auto One, and it's rated to lift plenty more than my GU weighs, so we know that it's nice and safe for the job. It's easy to use, and it makes quick work of the job too, which is nice. My axle stands, they're also from the Impact range, and once again, they're rated correctly for the job. And the materials and constructions means it's probably one of those heirloom tools that you'll end up handing down to your kids. Of course DIY jobs are fun, but they're a whole lot easier and a whole lot safer when you've got the right tools. Check out the rest of the Impact range from your local Auto One, and it'll make your next DIY project that much safer.